Hello, so it's been a while since I've given an update on my progress. I took a video earlier and I guess it's too short, so I have to make this at least 3 minutes long or YouTube will just try and throw it into my shorts list, and I want it in my video list. So I have to talk for 3 minutes and I apologize. This is my progress so far. I still have all of the dark part to fill in. Got my castle turrets done almost. And I started painting in the line work for my shelves. This is going to be a castle library. Excuse me. I painted this door, got my hinges on. Don't know if I'm going to keep this center. I wanted to paint something kind of Renaissance in there, so I'll probably do something else with that. And this door is going to be similar, matching, but still different. I haven't started on that. I have some stonework blocked in over here, and I have my mural sketched in. This is going to be, as you can see, stepping down into sort of a mystical garden forest. Don't know if I'm going to keep that water fountain in the middle. We'll see. More stonework. Still, all of it's in progress. Yeah, I don't have all the highlighting in yet. And that is it. I have about 50 some hours in right now. I have honestly no idea how much longer it's going to take. I said in my previous video that I'm imagining 100 hours, but this could take more than 100 hours, we'll see. If I'm 50 hours in, maybe this mural won't take as long, because I feel like this has been my nimbus. Painting buildings is new for me. I can paint faces better than I can buildings, but I did it. I'm learning. It's fun. I hope to do many more of these, as I think that that's theme-based mural room is a lot of fun. It takes time, but it's a lot of fun.